So I'm doing something a little new here. I do a video over on my Facebook group called Bambolettadolls Club, and every week I get boxes in from Vancouver Island. That's where the dolls and a lot of the clothes are made because I started my business over there. So what happens is the boxes come here on Wednesday and I unbox them, and it's kind of fun because you get to see what's going to be coming up this week and next week, and I don't know, just sort of like the fun things that have been happening over at the studio. When they come here, I embroider all the faces, we dress them, I photograph them, I ship them from Vancouver. It's in 2 spots. So anyway, that's the thing. So welcome to our first YouTube unboxing video, and yeah, I hope you. Hey friends, hello, hi, hello, and welcome to our April 1st. It's not an April Fool's Day, April 1st unboxing. I hope everybody is doing really well. Yeah, I've got a really heavy box and a lighter box. So there's just 2 today. And yeah, let's get in and see what's going on inside here. So if you're joining me for unboxing for the first time, which I don't think anybody is, what it is the dolls and the clothes are made over at Vancouver Island. Well, most of the dolls and clothes are made over at Vancouver Island, and then they come over to me and I unbox them. So we'll see what's inside. So we have, these are kind of rainy boxes today, so it's, anyway. Okay, let's see what's in here. Okay, there's a lot of clothing. So let's see what I've got. So these are, a lot of the clothes here are for dressing. So, but I will show you because they're very exciting. So we've got some of the Sitting Friends stuff. So I did this little mixy match set for the Sitting Friends, which I think is really cute. And then this, yeah, so they're all kind of mix match little outfits. And then these cute little, I love these outfits. These are what I call the art kid outfits. And they're also like a mix match kind of set. Okay, so there's that. So that's gonna be what is gonna be on the Sitting Friends coming up the next month or so, like what they're gonna be dressed in. And maybe some of these I'll put up for sale as well, because I've got some other, like I thought this was kind of a cute little, you know, summer set. And then this one, I really fell in love with this fabric, and when I was at the fabric store and just wanted to see what we could, I don't know, like these fun pants and then this cute little linen top. Anyway, so I've got that going on. And then let's see what else is in here. Always exciting to get clothes. This sweet little set with the little jeans, and this little set too. Again, another mixy match. Okay, and then we got some dolls. So let's see some dolls. Oh my gosh, look at this. Isn't that just crazy? Bright Sunshine. That is a Bright Sunshiny doll. If there's any of these dolls and you see and you want a eye color on them, let me know and I'll put the eye color on. But like, yeah, that's really, really cute. So there's her. And then I've got this beautiful blue girl. So these are the little buddy dolls. And oh, I love this one. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? That is beautiful. So she's gonna have like a little layered, I'll give her some layers, a bit of like a layered bob. She's really, really pretty. I love that mixed boucle. So there's that girl. And then I've got, oh, look, a nice bright red, beautiful bright red for a friend. And then this girl here, this blue, beautiful. And this beautiful purple. Woo, got lots of colorful ones because I asked for colorful ones. We had a lot of naturals in Forever Friends for a while, so I was like, oh, can we get some of the more colorful dolls? We got this beautiful green. I love this green. We've had it a couple of times now. Audrey's and Audrey and Andrea have like really, like, yeah, this is what they call, I think they call this their linden green. So there's this beautiful one here. And then I have some This is just little tags, some sitting friends. So this beautiful pinky girl here. And, oh, I love this one. This gorgeous girl here. And then this beautiful blue. And, oh, blonde boy. I know somebody was looking for a blonde boy. And here's the blonde boy. So we've got this one. And then in here I've got, what's going on? Oh, just scrap fabrics for me. More scrap fabrics for me. Socks and more socks. I really can't have enough socks. I know it's like an ongoing thing every week. I tell Audrey, I'm like, we need more socks. She's like, what? More socks? I'm like, yes, more socks. Honestly, it's the same conversation every week about socks. So those are some of the dolls we have. And then here, oh my gosh. I've got a couple more. Oh, does anybody else have that problem with their AirPods? Like they just fall out of my ears all the time. Okay, I've got this one. Oh. Okay. Oh, this here. So I've got some wool. So this is what we use for stuffing. So this is how it comes. I've shown you guys a bunch of times, but I always think it's so pretty and it's so soft and it just smells so good. Love wool. So we've got that. And oh, this is actually more of, oh my gosh, so much of this, these little love dolls, the pocket pals. They're so cute. Are they not just the most adorable little things? So we've got some more blue and we've got some green ones. And then we have some fresh new blanket dolls. Excellent. Some other blanket dolls. Oh, fun little goodies. Yeah, so there's a bunch of blanket dolls in here. Or blanket dolls, yeah, the loveys. So we've got these guys. A bunch of the loveys. And then we have bunch of stuff in here. Oh my gosh, we've got more of the little bears, you guys. These are so dang cute. Look at the little bears. They're so sweet. So it's nice. I've got like a nice batch of them, which will be great for, I actually have a market coming up in a couple weeks. It'll be my only market until I do circle craft. So yeah, so there's the bears. And what else do I have? Oh, I've got some cute dresses. Oh, I love this one. Oh my gosh. So we've got these dresses for dressing, but this one, love this dress. And this one. And this one, pretty. And this one, got that guy. We've got some fresh dresses. Oh, and some other fresh dresses. Oh, excellent. These ones are great. These are going to be really great on the new dolls. Look at this. Isn't that so fun? I found this panel at Dress So, and I thought they'd be perfect for Forever Friend dresses. And they are. Look at that. They're so great. Okay. So I've got those. And then some, oh, this is going to be going up maybe next week, I think. Finally, I put this fabric out a while ago. We got the Care Bear fabric back. So I've got this stuff. So these dresses will be up in, yeah, probably next week I'll have them up. But we've got the Care Bears. So cute. That. And then some shirts. I think. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look, oh my god, with a tie. Stop. What's going on here? Look at this. It's like a little shirt and a tie. Oh my gosh, that is so freaking cute. This has just made my day. Look at the ridiculous, look at the little pocket. What are the dolls putting in this pocket? I don't know. Oh my gosh. Look at, oh, this is so cute. This is so freaking cute. I can't even handle it. Oh my gosh. This was Oh, this is really, really adorable, and I love it so much. I think this was Yoshimi. Yoshimi, thank you so much. Audrey told me that you put some shirts in, and these are chef's kiss. Excellent. And then I've got a whole bunch of overalls. I might put some of these up for sale. We'll see. I'm trying to stock up my my stockpile here. And then in here, this is all of Bridget's stuff. So this is for Bridget. So I've got a bunch. So Bridget is one of the ladies I had that sew here with me. So she sews and then brings it and drops it off here. So this is how my sewing mama, like the women that sew for me, get their dolls. So they get pieces like this, and then the hair, and then grab a bundle. Ooh, this one's fun. Then they get the hair, so they sew it on, and they stuff it with that wool that I put in before, and that's how it's done. Okay, awesome. All right, well, thank you very much for watching. I actually don't even know if this is showing up on Facebook because I can't see anything. But anyway, I hope everybody's doing well, and yeah, I will see you next week. I realized I made a mistake and filmed it like this. So next time I'll film it like this, so it's better for YouTube. Okay, thanks. And yeah, it's a lot. I'll see you next week. Bye.